Hi there kids! Today's topic is all about consonant digraph WH words. Let's get started. W says W and H says H. But when they are put together, they make a sound W because H is silent here and we can only hear the W sound W. So, W, H together make a sound W. Repeat with me, kids. W, W, W. Now, let's learn the words that starts with W sound. W, whale, whale. W, white, white. W, whistle, whistle. W, wheat, wheat. W, whisk, whisk. W, whirlpool, whirlpool.
Bye bye kids, see you later. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new video alerts. Link to all my phonics videos given below in the description box. Keep watching.